The gay give me this. What the fuck? I'm just gonna... This isn't right. Thank you! Yeah, I'm so beautiful, right? And with that, meron ka 5 pitik. I'm going to be serious because I need to focus on live. Chareng! Like a serious mode, like nonchalant. Do you want the nonchalant guys or not? Hi, Jinwoo. Seems Josh is really busy. Hi, Dot. Jake Jagger. Dot, thank you for follow. Oh my God, hi, RR. Hi, STU. Grabe, it's so messy talaga. It's not, it's not actually blending in our natural hair. Hi, Kilwa. Kilwa S. That. Hello, Dot. Follow me back, Dot, on my second account. Kylie Baby. I'm gonna up this here. Because I can only reply there. Help me guys to reach 2 star. Thank you, Dot. Sino to? Parang same kayo ng profile ni ano. Okay. Hi, Willoughby. I think Josh is really busy. Nazri Bin Mod. I really misses you, Josh. Mali pa English niya, no? Hi, Smiley. Oh my God, thank you, Josh. It's busy for me. Is that a ring for me? Because you wanna make up for your busyness? Yeah, you're so busy nowadays. But it's okay. I always understand you. Hi, Goblin. Because you're the only one I have here right now, Josh. I'm L34. Hi, Rin. Oh, do you like my hair or not, Josh? I don't say my... Like Bunny, so cute morning. Oh, no, it's not Bunny. It's Rat. Did I beam up? Oh, accident. I'm still in bed. What do you mean beam up on? I didn't understand that. Actually, you drop a gift. Hi, Babala. You didn't know that? Oh my God. I'm so sorry, Josh. Hi, Sim. No, you didn't. I wait. Let me see. No, you didn't. You didn't. No, you didn't. You didn't join. Hi, no quarters. No quarters, hello. Your outfit. Thank you, Mel. Yeah, no worries. Even if you join, you like to join. Wow, thank you, Josh. Hi, guys. Hi, Cockney. Hi, Big Boy. Yeah, Mickey Bunny. Mickey Mouse. I'm Mickey Mouse, not Mickey Bunny. Do you know Mickey Mouse, Josh? That's my title now. Yeah. Hi, Tour. Is it your break time now, Josh? Hi, someone. Oh my God, my stomach is aching. I don't know why. Maybe because I ate a lot this dinner. I ate a lot of, dinner. Hi, Def. Aside from Def, follow me back on my second account, Kylie Baby. I message you there because I only reply there, guys. Yeah. Or I'm gonna comment it here. Using that second account. Hi, Jefferson. Ay, pasabog. Coffee ice. Well, I really love coffee with ice. I don't really prefer my coffee with hot coffee. What do you prefer, guys? Hot coffee or with ice? Hi, Bernard. Hi, Casey. Tatawagin ko naman sana siya ng Casey Calibre. Laro, 'di ba? Sakit ng tiyan ko. My stomach is aching. I don't know why. Maybe because I ate a lot. It gives me an ache. My bangs is really messy today. Who's Minnie Mouse without a bangs, right? I wish I could go to Disneyland too soon. That's our dreamland. Hi, MK. What time is there? I think you just got from bed. George, you told us that you just got up from your bed. Hi, P. Hi, Boss Primo. Hi, Be. Hello, bebe mo. Hala, sabog yun yung Chen. Hello. Road to 3 star. Hi, Sinjao. Hi, Bravo Boy. Road to 3 star na, guys. Yeah, this is a good start for live. But yeah, I did actually do live yesterday, but yun nga, it was just, really quick live. Like, I did like for not an hour. Hi, Sinjao! Bye agad? Okay, bye. Attitude si ate ko. Hi, ex. Or wala akong ex ha. kayo. Tiyareng! Hi, Drago! Grabe, ang taba ko na talaga, guys. Yeah, I'm getting fatter. And I don't like it. Hi, Crazy! Tawang-tawa ka dyan, Sinjao. Baka naman, Sinjao. Baka may piso ka. Hala, nanlimos. Hi, Outlaw. It's me, LOL. Oo nga, ikaw nga yan. Kilala kita, te. Hindi ka nawawala sa isip ko. Eme! Hi, Ems. Di ba nakaraan ako yung kausap mo, te? Sabi mo sa bukid ka pang ata yun. Kaya may signal mo. 19 crimes. Grabe, 19 crimes talaga. We don't like people doing crimes. Hi, ID 105. Pa 3 star niya na ako, guys. Para I can, thank you, Ems! I can rest na already. Hala, Eme. Saka talaga ng tiyan ko mga belly jeep. Hi, look out. Like, I don't know if I ate a lot. Hi, Ems! Hi, Elijah! Welcome back. Ano bang 1K yan? Raycom! Road to 3 star. Malalaman mo yung Sinjao kapag pina 3 star mo na ako. 500 na lang, oh. Hi, Akil! Laro! Hindi kasi, yung buhok ko, nabubisi talaga ako. Hi, Poknik. Bakit Poknik your name? Hi, Kreko. Sorry if I'm going so talkative right now, guys, because I don't have someone here to talk to. That's why Bigo is my comfort now, my friend, my hobby, may sandigan. Tiyareng! Ang OA din. Apaka-OA ng baklang to. Ano everything? Hi, Comba Fazali! Oo, sabihin ko everything. 3 star. For 3 star na. Dali. Hi, kulot na kalbo. Pig-pig lover. 500, ay, 440 na nga lang. Hi, Ning. Thank you, kulot na kalbo. May kulot bang kalbo, te? Yeah, Bigo is mine. Hala, mga angkin pala. Thank you, kulot na kalbo. Is there a bald who is curly? No! What do you mean? 907. Okay, Elijah. Hi, no name. Bakit ba mga walang name kayo? Alam mo, walang kulit na kalbo. Maliban na lang kung lalagyan mo ng wig. Ay, RVP. Guys, I'm road to 3 star. Hi, Def. We're almost there. You know, I'm, really slang when speaking to English. Yeah. I'm really slang. I know I'm not good at it. Ala, sino nagle-love you dito, be? Ang OA. But I'm trying. That's why I keep talking with foreigner people here because English is a good, is a good language to learn too. Hi, Lawrence. Is that right? I mean, English is not my original language, but I love it. Hi, Dirty Dan. Hi, Ayan. I really love that. Filipino may be my Dirty Dan, thank you for follow. Maybe my first love language, but English is my second love. I cannot live without speaking English. Hi, JB. Baka naman, guys. Hi, Acint. Hi, Curly Tops. Oh, that's so nice. It's chocolate. Who doesn't love chocolates, right? Take your breakfast now, Josh, if you just woke up. Ay, nako, ito naman tayo sa mga people nyo. Oh my God, I don't use that. And I don't accept money here. Yeah, hi, John. I'm only happy with gifts that I've been giving to because I think if I receive gift, I think I work hard on it. Better than accepting money here, easily accepting money. Hey, Ramil. Yes, we're on to 3 star na guys. 430 left. Ay, 435 left. Hi, Waffle! Oh my God, my chan is aching. So, that's so bad. This is so bad. Yeah, it doesn't look good. Thank you, Josh! Hi, Kring Kring! Ay, Kring Kring ba? Hi, Savage! Oh my God. Hi, Ado. My chan is aching. My stomach is aching. I ate a lot and I don't like it. I don't like it. Oh, I wish I could go to Coachella, guys. Good morning, John Ken. Soon. Hi, Chinks! Ay, Clinks. Clinks ba? Yan na naman, message na naman sila sa GCO. Hello, Clinks! Napakagulo. That chan is aching. Hi, Cyril! Hello! Hi, A! Alam nyo, kapag yung chan nyo nagkasakit na talaga. Hi, mother! Hi, ma! Grabe ka ng ulo ko, te. Okay ka lang ba, ma? Hi, Makmak! Ay, wait lang. Hi, mother! Bad trip pa din ako sa ano ko. Oo, dapat carry mo lang talaga, ma. Hi, Mysterious Man. Dito lang kami lagi for you. Kasi ako talaga na chan ko, guys. My stomach is aching the hell out of me. But yeah, we need to still do live this. Because I just did live. And we're not going to be lazy tonight. Maybe I'm just going lazy. Hi, Grabe, oh. Para ako nagpa-braids. Hi, tita. Te, anong pangalan yan, te? Grabe, dinikit talaga sa akin, bading. Ano tong buhok na to, te? Kaloka. Ano ba to? Wait lang. Chinecheck ko nga eh. Unhealthy siya, Lola. Buhok niya to kasi may ano. Hi, useless. Hi, Luciano. I'm fixing my hair. Hi, Arnav. I hope this one will be fixed talaga. I'm just gonna brush this up. Wala na talaga siyang maano, B. Hi, Jinjak. Oh my God. It get worse. What a nightmare. What a nightmare for me. Oh my God. Jeremy. Hi, Juan Perez. Oh my God, look. This is a nightmare for me, guys. Like, look at that. What did the gay kid did from my hair? Nilagyan niya ako ng buhok na parang dreadlocks na bading. Diyos ko, kaawa. Maawa ka na ng Oy, ka na ng tao talaga. Uy! Ano ba to bading? Tama ba to? Hindi na masukulay-sukulay ang lula mo. Ayun siya, oh. Hi, Diaspam. I'm just gonna fix it. Hi, 1%. Thank you for staying on my live, guys, ha? Especially you, Josh. Thank you for staying. Hi, Mr. Volkswagen. Because sometimes I don't understand myself either. I'm talking to myself, guys. Hi, Sensei. I've been doing that. I've been doing that habit. Ate May, Shawi, hello Def, welcome back. Oh my God. Grabe nilagay nila sa aking earbuding. Parang mas gusto ko na lang siya lagas-lagasin. Namuo siya. Hindi siya dapat ganito eh. Ayan siya oh. Pinipili. Hi, Marcy. Baka dahil sa ginlagay niya tong gamot tapos nasunog. Baka yung buhok na to sobrang nipis na. Actually, oo. Hi, Jayco. Ayun o, nagbuhol. Laro tong baklang to. Hi, Jayco. Sana nga maayos na next week eh. Hindi mo pakali. Hi, Sinor. Hindi ko talaga yan bet pag yung, like yung pinagpundaran ko, hindi ko nakakita na maganda, hindi ko bet. Mr. Rabbit talagang gagastos pa ako ulit. Ganun, nakatake ko. Hindi na nga ako, ano. Ayan, nag-comment ka na. Comment na yan, te. Hi, Tusham. Thank you, Josh! Comment na yan. I'm fixing my hair until now. Hi, Mr. Luke. Thank you so much, Josh! Hi, crush ko. Crush ko talaga. Wala naman akong crush. I'm still fixing my hair now. Hi! Yeah, thank you. You still appreciated me at my worst, at my worst sight. Like, yeah, my hair's not good tonight. I've been having a bad day here. Bad hair day. Yeah, that's the worst thing. Thank you so much, Joshi. I appreciated you for complimenting me a lot and cheering me up. Hi, Takashi. Wow, dito pala si Damulag. Di ba Takashi name nun? Laro parang binigyan ako ng drugs. Ng, ano yun, dreadlocks nun ah. Hi, Coco. Why, ng dreads ba yun? Jay Breezy. Hoy, Kirito, bading. Long time no see. Wala na siya. Matapos magdaan ni Lolo mo umalis, laro talagang bading yun. Road to 3-star, guys. I think I'm gonna go share my live later. Hi, Pound. Hello. Eh, no, namulupot yan sa ano. Sa, ano, ito yun, no. I don't know ba't siya nagpulupot. That's a bad thing, right? Hi, Korean name. Ano? I've lost a lot of hair. Because of that messy something, ano. Okay naman sana kung hinabaan niya pa ng konti kasi hindi naman to waistline. Above bra length lang yan, no? Lola siya. Grabe, oh. And then, she put a hair here. But, she put an extension, but it's still the length that I have. My natural hair. Hi, Carlo. Hello, Carlo. Hello, Big D. Big Cat. Big Cat. Init. Hi, Andri. Hi, Andri. Hello, Tita Kano. Big Cat. Big... Ala, shit. Naglalagasan talaga siya. Ganun talaga. Share live muna tayo, guys. Actually, hindi pa ako nakapag-share live. Ngayon pa lang. Need natin ting. Hi, Bernard! How are you, Bernard? Welcome back po. Wait lang. I'm gonna have to share my live muna, guys. Standby muna kayo dyan. Kasi pag di ko to share live, wala din nanonood, te. Kayo-kayo lang. Tapos di rin kayo nagko-commentan. Galit yarn. Di rin kayo nagko-comment sa live ko. Mga laro kayo. Ayaw nyo ata mag-comment eh. Yan. Ano natin? Share live natin mga akala. Yan. Hi, Yuji! Hi, Martin! Pusa ni mahirap. Ala, okay, te. Charing. Get yarn. Hindi, na-relate kasi ako. Mahirap lang din ako, guys. Hi, Joel! Hi, Naraja or Raha. Mahirap lang din kami, guys. Wala kaming enough food. Charing. Hi, Luciano! Welcome back. Big cat. Big cat. Wow! Ayan yan. Laro ano ba to? Hi, Rex! Ganda ni ate. Thank you! Eh, may lang yan. Di talaga yan siya nagsasabi na maganda ako. Hi, Boy Alas. May masabi lang yan sila. Hi, Hokage. Oo, uso yan dati. Hi, Greska. Hi pala ka. Yung Hokage word na yun. Uso yan eh. Hi, Greska. Hi, Mafia 3rd. Ay, Mafia 2. Sino? Ako, taga Sun Secret. Isa secret muna, guys. Bala ka dyan. Hindi ko nakasalanan yan. Pala ka. Hi, how? Bala ka dyan. Dance dude. I'm not a dude. Can't you see I have bangs? So, how can you see I'm dude? Hi, Watnabe. Hi, Drew. VNDR. I'm a goddess. Taras! OA. I'm a goddess. You know that. I beg your pardon. Hi, Alessio. What did you just scold me? Hi, Savage. Hi, Adelaide. Hindi tayo dude. We're a human. We're a human? Hi, Henry. Hi, Adeline. Oh, di ba may beans ka na. Yan, simulan mo na. Hi, Henry. Sunod-sunod din kapag sinipagan mo palalo. Alam mo, mas gusto nila yung newbie kumpara sa aming mga oldies na lip songs. So, ano yun sila. Di na yun sila nagabigay sa amin. Yung iba naman dito gustong magbigay pero may kapalit. So, no. Oo, tuloy-tuloy mo na yan. Hi, 261. Kasi pag nag-absent ka, parang nawawalan ka kasi ng engagement. Hi, Babala. Asawa ni Babalu. Ganun lang talaga. Sunod-sunod mo na yung live mo. At di naman lagi na 3 hours. 1 hour lang. Hi, Jake, kung di mo kaya. Jake Jones. Tapos batiin mo sila kahit maliit na binibigay nila. Malaki o maliit at maging masaya tayo, guys. Kasi kung wala namang piso, hindi naman niya maging 60k o 40k bins eh. 'Di ba? It always start from piso. Hi, Sai! Hi, Giovanni! Yeah. Hi, Waffle! Hi, Venom! Hindi lang ako inspired mag-live ngayon. Oo, gantong oras. Pero pag mga ka-15 na, nagla-live na rin ako ng hapon. Ano collab? Hindi, baka collab. By Luciano. Hindi ako na-inspire ngayon kasi parang yung pera ko hindi ko nakikita. Kasi ito, 6K, parang hindi ko naman siya nakikita sa buko. Parang ang halaga niya 3.5 lang kung sa ibang extension hair. Tignan nyo naman yan, bra length lang yan. I asked for waist length, pero parang binigay sa akin. Mali ko din, hindi ako nag-ano eh. Hi, Milzy! Hi, Bert! Masyado ako nagpahulog sa kanyang tsaka sa posted nila, posting. Diba? Tapos yung bidownan kong session sa Ladies Beauty Salon, hanggang ngayon wala pa dahil wala pa raw silang delivery doon sa inaas ko. Kaya nga papagawa ko siya sa iba pero sana maayos niya pa. Hi God! Mabalik niya sa dating extension. Yung gagawa din nito ulit yung dating pina-extensionan ko. Kung nakakikita niyo dating extension ko, yung super haba, yun. Sila yung gumawa nun. And hopefully, maayos pa siya next week. Hopefully, update ko kayo guys. Pag wala, hindi na mag-update. Charing. Hindi ako na-expert. Hi God! Na-inspired mag-live kasi nga hindi ko nakikita yung pinaghirapan ko. Tignan mo, parang natural hair ko lang to ba din? Pero dati, nakaraan na-inspired ako kasi yan. Nandiyan yung cabinet. Ngayon, wala. Nga Belchi. Wala pa talaga nag-isip na lang ako. Ay, Nathaniel. Ay, napapagastos na naman ako ulit. Paayos nito. Grabe kasi katabal nung pinag-extension na namin. Ang kinantsaba ko na lang siya as na lang Hindi na full session na extension nila. Mahal kasi extension nila. Pangit naman pala ng quality. Dapat pala, retouch ko na lang. Pina-retouch ko. Tapos pinadagdagan ko ng buhok. Siguro 3K lang magagastos ko or 2K. Laro si Bading. Ang ginawa niya, binola-bola niya ako. Makapal na doon ilalagay nila. Mas makapal pa doon sa old extension ko. Hindi talaga ako titigil sa kakarant. Hi, fake taxi. Anong yari? Mas makapal ang natural hair ko sa extension, bakla. Diyos ko, ang lala. Budol is real. Kaya huwag kayo maniniwala sa mga posting nila. Hindi ko alam kung alam yun ng kapatid niya, yung may-ari ng salon kasi siya nakikipwesto lang ata. Sa kanya extension naka-assign Feeling hindi alam ng kapatid niya. It's not good. It's not Hi, Ems! Kahit nung unang pagkakagawa pa lang, hindi ko talaga makita yung kagandahan ng extension. Unlike nung sa una kong salon. Pagkagawa na extension ko sa unang salon, gandang-ganda ako sa sarili ko. Sabi ko parang hindi ako to, ganun. Nung ito na, yung itong last na to, yung pa-third na to, itong pinakalas, itong ginawa na to. Pagkatapos gawa, sabi ko, parang wala man nagbago. Parang naglala pa. Parang nagpaikli ako ng buhok. Hindi talaga siya pantay kasi brown dati yung buhok ko. Hi, Alberto. Ang pinakaayaw ko lang kasi Hindi siya mahaba. Waist length kasi yung inas ko, pero parang bra length lang. Tapos yung dito pa sa gilid, hindi niya nilagyan ng mahabang buhok, di ba? Ang nilagay niya kasing haba, nalagyan niya rin, pero sing haba din ng natural hair ko. Di parang hindi ako nagpa-extension. Laro talaga yun.